34th anniversary of Somaliland Independence Restoration Day in May 2025. People of the Republic of Somaliland, both at home and in the diaspora, will commemorate the 34th anniversary of Somaliland's Independence Restoration Day. This national day marks the historic moment when Somalia restored its sovereign independence, the varied union with Somalia in 1991. This year's commemoration follows the successful and peaceful joint presidential and party election held on November 13, 2024. Over 1 million citizens cast their votes electing Somaliland's 6th president and 3 national political parties. Notably, Somalia has become the first country in Africa and in the world to adopt its biometric voting technology within the political complex and authoritarian landscape of the Horn of Africa. The National Day anniversary provides an opportunity to honor our unity, preserve our rich cultural heritage, and promote our nation's achievements and image, reaffirm our collective identity as Somalilanders. It's a day to reflect our progress, renew our commitment to peace, democracy, and development, and advance the cause of the Republic of Somaliland.